Hey guys, what's happening? In order to send crypto with Kraken Pro, you need to use the wallet because the wallet has all the things like the conversion, exchanges between one asset to another, holding or buying or selling the coin, all the basic stuff that you cannot, or maybe you can do in a trade, but you would need to be there, right? You need to be with the chart, like following the chart in and out, so you can know exactly if you're taking profit or you're bleeding out. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the wallet, right? I'm gonna open our wallet. I'm gonna enter my password or verify via facial recognition if that's easier for you. And now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the portfolio, right? Scroll a little bit down and get to see your cryptos right here, right? Select the crypto that you want to send, right? So let's say, for example, I'm gonna send Bitcoin or Ethereum, let's say. Okay, what I'm gonna do, under the balance, you're gonna see deposit, withdraw, 3 dots, okay? And click the 3 dots to show you a list, right? And you're gonna see convert, if you want to exchange one asset to another, or send right here by clicking send, okay? And you're gonna enter the amount of ETH that you want to send. Let's have an example 33, or let me switch it to USD, let's say $1, right? So I'm gonna click the purple button right here to continue, and then select the crack tag or email if you want to send that amount to someone else inside Kraken. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.